And something that, you know, I've been so frustrated.
I knew this was going to happen. Okay, so I heard about this last night. I'm getting the bit over with. Jonah's got a fart machine.
And I'm like, wouldn't it be funny if I'm with all these fancy people and I have like a really stupid 3-year-old fart machine, right?
Oh, you should see the way we all looked at him. We all looked like, what is going on?
I was like, do I finish the question or do I acknowledge that he just farted?
This is how digital and dumb it sounds, okay? Okay? Like funny for like a 6-year-old maybe, right?
I'm Adam McKay. Thanks for joining us for EW Around the Table. Don't Look Up premieres December 10th in theaters and Christmas Eve on Netflix.
Oh, Lord.
Thank you very much.
Sobbing.
A few moments later.